Hey guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Today is going to be another video series about the W126 Restoration. Today we're going to be removing and replacing this exhaust system on this car, which is not in a really good shape, so that's why we're doing that. And I already have a different exhaust, and I'm going to actually prep it, and I'll show you what I mean by prepping it. I'm going to actually clean that new exhaust system that I got, and I'm going to sand it, and I'm going to paint it actually to protect it from rust in the future and any other problems. So stay tuned. Maybe not. Alright guys, here's the new exhaust system. It's in a really great shape. It's literally a complete exhaust system. This is your downpipe, and right there is the rest of your system, and everything is actually pretty much rust free. It's awesome. So what I want to do is I'm gonna clean it all up, sand it, and paint it. It's gonna be perfect. Guys, so here's my exhaust. I'm about to start cleaning it, and then I'll prep it for paint and all that stuff. So let's go. To clean it, I'm gonna use the Purple Power, and all the products that I use in this video you guys can find in the links down below. So I'm gonna do that, just so then we're just basically working with a cleaner exhaust, and afterwards I'm gonna start sanding it. So over the years, there's a lot of junk and buildup right here. This is from engine oil actually. So we need to make sure we clean all that up. That way, our paint will stick to everything nicely, and you will not actually ruin your sandpaper. We're trying to sand through the dirt. And I'm just using the regular steel brush to brush off all the dirt and all the rust and stuff. So another step, very important, is to clean off all the rust from all these welds, okay, and clean it all up. And after you clean it with a steel brush, you want to go ahead and use the rust dissolver. I'm going to leave the link down below off, and you want to coat all of this stuff, all these welds. And you can also coat the other spots that are rusty, and you can leave it for 30 minutes, and afterwards this thing is going to turn differently, a different color. So usually this rust dissolver, it just eats the rust away. If you have severe rust, then you actually have to use a grinder or something to clean that loose rust off first, and you can coat this with rust dissolver. And the goal is to actually make sure it doesn't get dry in that spot. Make sure you keep spraying it with the rust dissolver So I'm gonna do the same to the other joints as well, like especially on the muffler. And yeah, we're almost done here cleaning this, guys. And we'll be getting ready to paint this bad boy. Alright guys, so while all my welds are actually soaking in the rust dissolver, I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding all this with sandpaper. And first I'm using 80 grit, and then you can go to 120 and then 200, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on this area right here. So I'm gonna start, already kind of started sanding it, but you want to sand it, don't worry about the scratches. You want to sand it just so this way the paint is gonna stick to it. So you also want to make sure that at the end you sand everything down, and then you clean everything with brake cleaner. That way there's no debris or anything on the exhaust system. So the reason why you want to sand is just so the paint can stick to it. Alright guys, the next thing will be paint, and I'll leave the links down below where you can find this high heat paint. Navy, she's coming along. So I already painted, put one coat on this, and I'm gonna keep going, and I'm not gonna bother you or bore you, so I'm just gonna show you everything at the end. What a beautiful day to work on cars. Are you guys the same way I am? You know, just wake up, eat some breakfast, go outside, work on cars. Yep, that's how we do it. Alright guys, so here's our refurbished or new exhaust, pretty much. I just painted it, it's all dry, nice and good. So right now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old exhaust, and we're gonna get ready to install this amazing brand new exhaust in this amazing W126 Mercedes. So stay tuned and let's go.